Samuel Mafethu, you're a musician, ngithiwa upcoming artist. Ufuna uphumelela kumculo wakho, yonke into yenza ufuna uphumelela. Uphuma kuyiphi province noba khoma opportunity. Yazi Bafethu into zokutshela wena i-one. Must have your first studio sakho. You must have a studio sakho in your trip. You understand? Buy that studio, buy that equipment. Ube nayo endlini. And then the second thing oyidingayo ukuthi ukwazi uzirecorder. Yeah, ukwazi uzirecorder. And then to those abakwazi mix and master, about producer like mix and master. At least try the producer nyana. I famous one, but the one that is a good quality. Guys, you don't need famous people in order to make it big in your life. No, you need a good team. You need a good team. Mark my words, you need a good team. If you can get a good team, you can be good in your life. You understand? And then must also a team layer. When you record, I'm sending them a project, and then I'm a project mix starter. As soon as you're done, in the number snippet. In the number snippet, snippet doesn't mean you shy snippet. You say for example, I believe it in the end of the these are rural areas. Understand? I came here for indoors and but I didn't like I'm which man don't figure anything or there's a video there or man been when a fence or man there's a video. Even condition petting sense the since in fearing actually video and yenzi the sense in fearing I ngisha emataqeni. There's khona amaqaqa ngale move ale. Yeah, ngisebenzise that opportunity to create something different. Yeah, something different. And none by faith, you can do the same. You can do the same, trust me. You can do the same because like you don't need actually each those fans in order to no. You need whatever you have now. And then it's the one is and then be patient and you know guys. Patience is the key to success. You understand the consistency. Because understanding like they always like bafundo is fast, like ufuna blower, ufuna mali. And then learn the business side of the music, guys. Learn the business side of music. Hey boy, you want to funda business side of music because if you don't do that, you're gonna fail, trust me. Yeah, boy, you're gonna fail, trust me, because I never buy like they always fail. You understand? Because of what? Abafuna funda the business side of music. So you must do that. You must do that. Just learn. You understand? Business side of music, everything's gonna be fine. Trust me. I've been there, I've seen things, and I'm gonna be blue, but I'm coming.